Have you ever been ready to start a watercolor painting, picked up a color from your palette, and then realized that it looked completely different on the paper than you expected? Or maybe you've looked at several greens, yellows, or browns in your palette and weren't sure which one would be the best choice for your painting? Many times, we choose colors simply based on how they look in the palette. But watercolor can look completely different once it is applied to paper and dries. That's why today I want to talk about one of the simplest yet most important tools in watercolor painting, a watercolor color chart, also known as a palette swatch chart. Notice how dark this crimson looks from the tube. But with water, its true transparency is revealed on the paper. One of the most important advantages of the watercolor chart is that it shows you the transparency of each color. The colors are complete transparent, like translucent, and have more overlap. One of the biggest benefits of making a watercolor chart is understanding transparency. Before you start painting, it's important to know how transparent is.
One of the biggest advantages of a watercolor color chart is that it saves you time. Before starting a painting, you can simply take a quick look at your chart, choose the right colors with confidence, and start painting right away without wasting time testing every color. One simple habit can save your painting from costly mistakes. Before applying a new color to your artwork, test it on your watercolor chart first. If the color isn't quite right, you can adjust it before it ever touches your painting, keeping your artwork clean, accurate, and stress-free.
In the next tutorial, we're going to create a professional watercolor chart. I can't wait to see you there.